हाँ.
Hello students, in video number 1 we have studied differential by using chain rule. Today I am going to tell you differentiation by using trigonometrical substitutions. Before proceed, we have to know these formulas. For up to formula number 9 we have already studied in class 11. So see from formula number 10. Sin inverse of x plus minus sin inverse of y is equal to sin inverse of x multiplied with under root of 1 minus y square. In case of plus, we use plus sign. In case of minus, we use minus sign. Y times of root of 1 minus x square. After that, cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y is what? Cos inverse of xy. Whenever positive sign is given, we use the negative sign. But whenever the negative sign is given, we use the positive sign. Under root of 1 minus x square, under root of 1 minus y square. Tan inverse of x plus minus tan inverse of y can be written as. Now see. Whenever plus sign is given, we use plus sign in the numerator and the negative sign in the denominator. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y can be written as tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. But when minus sign is given, we use minus sign here and plus sign here. Now see formula number 13. Sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x can be written as pi by 2. Tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x can be written as pi by 2. Sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x can be written as pi by 2. Sin inverse of minus x can be written as minus sin inverse x. Cos inverse of minus x can be written as pi minus cos inverse x. Tan inverse of minus x can be written as minus tan inverse x. Sin inverse x can be used as cosec inverse 1 upon x. Cos inverse x can be written as sec inverse 1 upon x. Tan inverse x can be written as cot inverse 1 upon x. Before doing this exercise, you have to learn all these formulas. Okay? Now I am going to take some problems. Problem number 1. Let us take example number first. Y is equal to sin inverse 2x multiplied with root of 1 minus x square. Now, एक important factor आप सुने ध्यान से कि यदि sin inverse लिखा हुआ तो आपको करना क्या है, इस तरीके से सॉल्व करना है कि अंदर sin आना चाहिए. अगर cos inverse है तो cos आना चाहिए. Tan inverse tan, for cot inverse cot, for sec inverse sec, and so on. Now see, here sin inverse is given. So what we have to substitute here in place of x so that we can get the value of sin. x की जगह हम क्या पुट करें जिससे sin आता है? तो we know that 2 sin theta cos theta. You can see here formula number 1. Sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. If we put x is equal to sin theta, x is equal to sin theta, this implies that if x is equal to sin theta, then what is theta? Theta is equal to sin inverse of x. Now y is equal to sin inverse of 2 sin theta. In place of x, we put sin theta. Root of 1 minus sin square theta. Y is equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta. We know that under root of 1 minus sin square theta becomes cos theta. Because 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. and the square root of cos square theta is cos theta. Now see, 2 sin theta cos theta, by using this formula number 1, we can write sin 2 theta. Y is equal to sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Now see, sin inverse of sin. See here, sin inverse of sin theta is always theta. Cos inverse of cos theta is always theta. Tan inverse of tan theta is always theta, and so on. Like cosec inverse of cosec theta, theta. Cot inverse of cot theta is equal to theta. Sec inverse of sec theta is equal to theta. So, by applying this concept, sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta, sin inverse sin theta, we obtain only theta, means 2 theta. See this concept, sin inverse of sin theta is what? Theta. So, sin inverse of sin 2 theta is what? 2 theta. Now, what is the value of theta? Theta is sin inverse x. Y is equal to 2 into sin inverse of x, because the value of theta is what? Sin inverse x. Now, dy over dx means differentiation. 2 is constant, okay, taking it outside. Now, differentiate only sin inverse x. We have already learned in video number 1, the differential of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. This is the required answer of problem number first. Now, let us take another example. Y is equal to example number 2. Sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. 3x minus 4x cube. Now see, क्या दे रखा है? साइन इनवर्स. सॉल्व होकर यहां क्या आना चाहिए? साइन. साइन इनवर्स देन साइन. कॉस इनवर्स के लिए कॉस, टेन इनवर्स टेन, कॉट इनवर्स कॉट, सेक इनवर्स सेक, एंड सो ऑन. मींस यहां हमको वैल्यू चाहिए साइन में. So what is the value of sin 3 theta? You can see formula number 7. You have already studied these formulas. Up to formula number 9. You have already studied in class 11. Sin 3x can be written as 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay. 3 sin x यानी x की जगह पुट किया जाए sin 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, तो डायरेक्ट हमारा फॉर्मूला बन जाएगा. So put x is equal to sin theta. Whenever x is equal to sin theta, then what is the value of theta? Theta is equal to sin inverse of x. Now see, y is equal to sin inverse 3 sin theta, because we put sin theta in place of x, minus 4 sin cube theta. Now see, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is what? Sin 3 theta. Y is equal to sin inverse of sin 3 theta. Now see, sin inverse of sin theta. Sin inverse of sin theta is what? Theta only. So what is theta here? 3 theta. Now what is theta? Theta is sin inverse x. Y is equal to 3 times of sin inverse x. Now differentiate dy over dx. 3 into, what is the differential of sin inverse x? 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Okay, now I am going to tell you example number 3rd. See example number 3rd now. Example number 3rd. Y is equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. See here. Now see, here what is given? Cos inverse. अगर यहाँ cos inverse दे रखा है तो अंदर हमको क्या चाहिए? Cos. I have already discussed that. Whenever sin inverse is given, we need sin. Whenever tan inverse is given, we need tan. Whenever cos inverse is given, we need cos. तो अब आपको ये देखना है कि आखिरकार इस x की जगह क्या पुट किया जाए जिससे कि यहां x की जगह क्या पुट किया जाए जिससे यहां cos बन जाए. तो सी 2 cos square theta minus 1. We can see here with the help of this formula number 2, put x is equal to cos theta. If x is equal to cos theta, then what is theta? Theta is equal to cos inverse of x. Y is equal to cos inverse 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now see, 2 cos square x minus 1, we obtain what? Cos 2x. So 2 cos square theta minus 1 is what? Cos 2 theta. Now see, cos inverse cos theta is theta. So cos inverse cos theta is what? Theta. And here theta is what? 2 theta. So y is equal to 2 theta. Now what is the value of theta? Theta is cos inverse x. So we can write it as 2 cos inverse x. dy over dx. 2. What is the differential of cos inverse x? Minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. I have already told you in video number 1. Differential of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. So this is the required answer of this problem. Now let us take another example. Y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos x upon sin x. Before solving this problem, I want to say something. हमेशा ध्यान रखने का कि मोस्टली 99% प्रॉब्लम्स में जब भी 1 माइनस कॉस एक्स 1 प्लस कॉस एक्स साइन एक्स ये दे रखे हो, आप इनके फॉर्मूलाज को डायरेक्ट अप्लाई करें. 1 माइनस कॉस एक्स कैन बी रिटन एज 2 sin square x by 2. This is the formula of 1 minus cos x. You have already studied this formula in class 11. What is sin x? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. See, 2 cancel. We obtain y is equal to tan inverse of sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. We obtain tan of x by 2. Now once again see, tan inverse of tan theta. So tan inverse of tan theta, what is theta? X by 2. So tan inverse of tan theta is theta, therefore x by 2. Now differentiate. dy over dx is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. After that differential of x is 1. So 1 by 2 is the required answer. Let us take another example. Example number 5th. Y is equal to tan inverse under root of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. I have already told you जब भी आपको 1 माइनस cos x 1 प्लस cos x दिया हो 99% प्रॉब्लम्स में उन फॉर्मूलाज को ओपन कर दीजिए सिंपली। y इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स 1 minus cos x is what? 2 sin square x by 2. And what is 1 plus cos x? 2 cos square x by 2. Y is equal to tan inverse. You can see here. Cancel, cancel. Sin square x by 2 divided by cos square x by 2. We obtain tan square x by 2. And the square root of tan square x by 2 is what? Tan of x by 2. Now once again see here, tan inverse of tan theta is theta. Tan inverse of tan theta, what is theta here? X by 2. Now dy over dx 1 by 2. What is the differential of x? Only 1, so 1 by 2 is the required answer. Now let us take another example. Y is equal to tan inverse of a plus x upon 1 minus ax. Okay, now see here formula number 12, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is what? Tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. I am going to write here tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y can be written as tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So by using this concept, we can easily write it as y is equal to tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of x. You can see tan inverse a, tan inverse x is what? Tan inverse of a plus x upon 1 minus ax. By using this identity, this formula. Now differentiate. A is constant. Differential of the constant is always 0. Therefore, differential of tan inverse A is 0. Now, tan inverse x. I have already told you in video number 1 that whenever positive sign or the negative sign is given, the question is divided into parts. Here the question is divided into two parts. First part is tan inverse A. Second part is tan inverse x. Differentiate first part separately and after that second part separately. Now see, A is constant. Therefore, differentiation of tan inverse A is 0. Only we have to differentiate tan inverse x and its differential is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now dear students, you can solve the problems which are related to the differentiation by using trigonometrical substitution.